subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Huawei sub-brand Honor has launched 3 new smartphones in China under Honor 30 series, which includes Honor 30, Honor 30 Pro and Honor 30 Pro Plus. Among these 3, the Honor 30 Pro Plus is the higher variant of this series with more features. Talking about the specifications, the Honor 30 Pro Plus features a 6.57-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 995G chipset paired with Mali-G76 GPU. The device packs with 8 or 12GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via Nano memory card slot. As per the camera, the Honor 30 Pro Plus supports quad camera setup on the rear in a squarish module including LED flash and a laser autofocus system. The quad rear camera includes a 50MP main camera with Sony IMX700 sensor plus 16MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 8MP telephoto lens with up to 50x hybrid zoom and a depth sensor. The rear cameras are capable of recording 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, there is 32 plus 8MP dual cameras at the front under the pill-shaped hole punch design. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on Magic UI 3.1 skin on top. The smartphone comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery with 40 watts wired and 27 watts wireless fast charging support. Additionally, the Honor 30 Pro Plus features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it has advanced cooling system that protects the device in extreme conditions. The smartphone also supports IP54 certification for dust and waterproof. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual-band 5G, Wi-Fi 6 Plus, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, infrared port, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 160.3 by 73.6 by 8.4 mm and it weighs around 190 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Honor 30 Pro Plus has been priced in China for 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage variant at 4,999 Chinese yuan, and the 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage model is priced at 5,499 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for pre-orders in the country in black, green and silver color options, and it will go on sale starting from April 21st. So, what do you guys think of this Honor 30 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.